Hi everyone, I'm Mandy and this is Listing for You and RDU. We are in Cary at a gorgeous community by Taylor Morrison, and today we are going to tour the Newport model home. It has 2 bedrooms downstairs, 1 bedroom upstairs with an enormous loft. Let's go check it out.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Young Farm. So happy to have you on today's tour. If you are curious about this community, please feel free to contact me. I am always happy to answer questions from my YouTube viewers. And good news, if you are looking to purchase a home with Taylor Morrison, they are paying the buyer agency fee. I would love to be your buyer advocate and help you find the home of your dreams here with Taylor Morrison at Young Farm or possibly somewhere else in the Triangle. Now, this amazing community offers 7 floor plans ranging from 2,700 to just under 3,700 square feet. The Newport that we are looking at now is roughly 2,800 square feet, and they offer 3 floor plans in this community that have the primary bedroom and a guest bedroom on the main floor. The Newport is one of the 3, and it's kind of in the middle of their pricing. The most inexpensively priced one is the Montclair, which starts at $661,000. The Newport starts at $726,000, and then the Berkeley is the upper end in terms of pricing. It starts at $778,000. A little bit about Taylor Morrison. They are an international builder with roots in the United Kingdom dating back to 1935. They entered the North Carolina market about 10 years ago, and they build in both Charlotte and here in Raleigh. Taylor Morrison is honored to be recognized as America's most trusted home builder by Life Story Research 8 years in a row. So that's a pretty nice designation. Now I'm going to do something a little bit different with this video. I'm going to hop off and let you enjoy the tour without me, but I am going to join you at the end because I have a map that I want to share with you that will give you some great indicators as to housing pricing around the Triangle and what you can expect to find. Okay, so enjoy this tour. I will see you at the end, and you'll notice that this model home is located on a beautiful lot. I've got some great video outside the windows upstairs. You'll see there's a nice pond next to it and some trees. So I bet whoever buys this model home is going to be quite happy with this lot location. It's really lovely. So enjoy the tour, guys. I will see you in just a few minutes. And here is that map that I was telling you about that will help you understand pricing here in the triangle. Anything in yellow, you will come across home prices that are more expensive, and then the areas that are not shaded, you will get more bang for your buck, as they say. And the reason being is that there are more points of attraction kind of in the western part of Raleigh and the northwestern area. We've got Duke University, Duke Hospital, UNC Chapel Hill, UNC Hospital. NC State University is closer into the city center. We've got RDU Airport, Jordan Lake, and Research Triangle Park, where many companies, worldwide companies, have their headquarters. If you are looking for shorter commutes to those points of attraction, your best bet for housing is going to be in the yellow areas. The cost of housing will be more, though, in those areas, especially in Cary, Apex, and just north of the city center in Raleigh. I have several videos here on the channel that showcase new construction homes with primary bedrooms on the main floor. I've created a playlist so you can kind of compare housing and the cost of the housing around the triangle, and the playlist is titled Primary Bedroom on the Main Floor. So check that out. I'll have a link here right at the end of this video. Taylor Morrison, I've got circled in red. That's where we just toured. That's in West Cary. You can compare that home with another home that I recently toured out at Magnolia Park in Garner. The one in Garner was about 1,000 square feet smaller, but the price tag was around $300,000 less. So a significant difference if you go to the outlying areas of the triangle. If you fell in love with this Taylor Morrison home, please do not be disappointed that you can't afford it, because the good news is that Taylor Morrison is building in other areas of the triangle other than Cary, and I've got those more inexpensive areas down here. You can look at Wake Forest, Knightdale, Wendell, Sanford, or Anger. Sanford and Anger are not really on the map. I had the arrow to indicate that they are more south of where the map ends. But these are great areas. They are growing. There are so many companies that are coming to the triangle. There is so much growth. So there are some great options in these parts of the Raleigh-Durham market as well. So I would be more than happy to give you information about these areas if those areas would fit your budget. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to check out my playlist, First Floor Primary Bedroom. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave me a comment down below, or you can reach out to me directly. See you on the next video.